Hello friends, this is Dr. Ranvir Pahwa. I am producing YouTube videos for the last many months and you must have gone through them. Please go through them, watch, like and subscribe. They're on health and healing, different kinds of diseases or conditions, their treatments through nature medicine. That's my goal, to inform the audience and disperse the knowledge. So today in this video, I am taking a topic, a very important topic. It's called constipation. 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 It's a very common condition. A lot of people face it during their life, when starting from childhood to later seniorhood. Constipation bugs them. Constipation affects them. So I'm putting some treatments, some do's and don'ts, lifestyle ideas. So the topic is constipation, how to correct with homeopathic medicines. Before that, I will give a little bit of definition of the constipation. This is a comprehensive definition of the constipation, which sort of I have created it through the various references to my personal experience. I have suffered constipation too, but now for the last over 20 years, I have controlled it. I'm better. So my experiences are there too. I have used many modalities to correct constipation. I found homeopathy works really good. So constipation is infrequent, delayed, factual, incomplete, difficult, sometimes painful passing of stool. Insufficient, dry, harder. In small pieces, pencil-like, leaf-like, and unclean bowel movements. Sometimes abdomen is bloated. Constipation is also described as when one has bowel movements less than 3 times a week. Causes of constipation: incomplete chewing, very important. Liver disorders, disorders of the gastric and pancreatic functions. Incomplete chewing, you can ask the question from me, why? Insufficient peristaltic movement, mental excitement or hypermind, depression, improper and irregular eating, poor food diet deficient in fiber, bad food, sedentary life, lack of exercise, and insufficient water intake. Hydration. Hydration is very, very, very important. One must be drinking 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 glasses of the water depending upon the season and the requirement. Lubrication. The water does lubrication of the intestine or GI tract or colon. It moves the bowels. So using some drugs like opium, cannabis, they can cause constipation. Bowel obstruction from various causes. Additionally, often traveling or emotion stress or careless use of self prescriptions, excessive and prolonged use of laxatives. Even some of the herbal laxatives can cause problems. People keep taking, but no results after some time, after 3 months of use. So they're stuck again. So I'm going to talk about constipation, removing through the herbs. and nutritional support, other methods. Headaches. So constipation symptoms. Putrefaction of stuck stool for many days will form toxins, toxic gases, which enter into blood and cause following symptoms: headaches, indigestion, pain in limbs, tiredness, changes in moods, irritability, appetite loss, off taste, tongue dirty, coated, bad smell from mouth, abdomen tight, increased heartbeat, anemia, insomnia, fever, candidiasis, and cancer may develop if we are not evacuating properly in timely. So all that can happen, and people have noted, and people don't relate to these symptoms that, oh, they're due to constipation. We didn't know that. So I tell them and describe them. So when I used to get constipation, and I used to have pain in the limbs, like in my calf, lower legs. I used to feel pain there. So that is my experience there too. So there is another aspect there, the physical impact on the colon. They are the different symptoms too. It can contribute to straining during defecation, leading to the development of the hemorrhoids, or may cause dizziness from vagal responses. In severe constipation, impaction or obstruction of bowel maker. Treatment options. There are some specific do's and don'ts. When constipated, drink more water, probably warm water, maybe up to 2 liters or more every day. Exercise. Uh, Exercise, any exercise, but yoga exercises, I have seen they have a lot of impact on the bowel, because there are so many exercises which strain the bowel area, which compress the bowel area, and your bowel movement starts. Use of bulk forming agents as psyllium husk, bran, etc. So eat light meals, more green vegetables, salads, and less cooked. So avoid fried foods, and a lot of oily foods. White flour products. Avoid meat. Meat has no fiber. Medicines. The constipation can be corrected by using homeopathy, Ayurvedic medicine, yoga, herbal medicines, or Chinese herbal, or Western, or Ayurvedic herbal medicines, and proper nutrition, proper eating, nutritionally well balanced food. Therapies, acupuncture, massage, naturopathic therapies, yoga, pranayama, etc. can also help in constipation, relieving constipation. I have used acupuncture relieving constipation in my many patients. I'm indicating some common and tested homeopathic medicine in this video. Here I am considering top 11 remedies often used for constipation problems. So one is Alumina, Bryonia, Causticum, Graphitise, Lycopodium, vomica, Opium, Platina, Plumbum, Hydrastis, and Silicea. One can select the remedy, one remedy or two remedy based on their symptoms, and they can be combined sometimes. Ask the doctor, or you can find some combinations also. So closer the symptoms, better would be the result. So first is Alumina. So Alumina symptoms are: there is no urge to pass stool due to dryness of colon membrane, hard stool, sometimes covered with mucus. Constipation can last for days. Mentally, person is dull and slow. This is my experience in medicine. Bryonia. Second one is Bryonia. In Bryonia, the symptoms are mucous membranes are dry, rectum is dry, intestine does not work, stool is dry, hard, large with extreme thirst. So you can use 30 potency 3 times per day. And same with the alumina, you can use 6 ch potency to 30 ch potency 3 times per day. So causticum is another good medicine, and the symptoms are the patient or person cannot evacuate even with frequent urging of bowel movements, dry and hard stool, instead sitting on the toilet, passes stools easily on standing. Yeah, this is something. So the causticum can be taken in the 30 potency 3 times per day. Hydrastis canadensis, no urge to pass stool. The symptoms: sinking feeling in the upper abdomen, constipation during pregnancy or after childbirth. Potency is 6 ch to 30 ch, and dosing 3 times or more per day. Graphitise. Graphitise, the symptoms are no urge to stool or bowel movement. Stool is large, knotty stool, hard, adhere with mucus. So there is mucus on the stool, expelled with much effort. Patencies are 6 ch to 30 ch, taken 2 to 3 times per day. The next one is Lycopodium. The symptoms are distended abdomen, flatulence passing downward on one, feels plugged at bottom, hard, difficult stool. Potency 30 ch, dosing 3 times per day. Next vomica, very good medicine, and belongs to male side of problems most of the time, but ladies can take too. The sedentary life, dark, ineffectual urging, frequent desires in the morning, but only little stool is passed. So next omega characters are people having sedentary life, sitting long hours, workaholics, stuck to the chair, and all that. So next omega helps in those kind of people. So we'll go to the 8th number, opium. Two small marble-like hard dark brown stool, completely no feeling of passing of stool, does not feel pain even on evacuating for days. So there's no pain, carrying the stool in your body. So the potency is 30 ch, and dosing is 2 to 3 times per day. Platina. You are constipated when traveling. A lot of people get constipated, and this is my problem also. When I travel, I get constipated. So I use things, and I have to use some remedies. Platina is one of them. So next one, the 10th one, the plumbum. It's very, very, very good remedy. So the symptoms are chronic and obstinate constipation, feels the urge but hard to expel stool. Some say it is due to anal spasm, hard dry stool like sheep droppings. Many people must have seen this, those who are constipated. So constipation causing bowel hernia. So in case of plumbum, so you see there may be bowel hernia. So the last one, not the least, these are the common ones. And when you are consulting a homeopath, then you may have constitutional remedy. There are different ones too. So silicea. You feel that stool wants to come out in a part, so breaking, but it goes back. So this action is called shy stool, comes back at anus and then it just goes back, slips back. Must have noted by many people. So there is an incomplete bowel movement with silicea. So you can take 30 ch potency 2 to 3 times per day. Okay, so these were all constipation remedies or relieving constipation remedies in homeopathy. So keep working on your do's and don'ts, and study these remedies. Consult the doctor also if you have really trouble, and these some of the medicines are not working. More than you're trying for 14 days and 20 days, and still there's no result, no proper evacuation, then please consult a homeopathic doctor or other doctors, and you see them. Don't be shy to see them. Tell them what's happening. So I appreciate that, and I end this talk today, and you keep doing good business for your body, all the techniques and methods. So please like and share and subscribe this video and watch till the end. And so be happy, be safe, be healthy. So thank you. Bye bye.